Actually, if you're going to read between the lines of what she's saying, the mere fact that she's asking niya, no, attorney, parang sinasabi niya, umuwi na tayo. Na, para bang isang kapatid na nagmamahal na sinasabi niya, halika na, let's go home, let's fix you kasi may problema ka at the moment, hindi natin kakayanin to nang hindi mo kasama, something like that. So parang I think the insinuation is there, no, na mag-resign ka na, iwanan mo na yan because you cannot rule the country because you yourself, you're physically impaired, and yun nga, maaring mas malubog pa tayo sa hinaharap at maaring ito yung ayaw mangyari ni Senator Amy Marcos. To me, what Malacanang is saying that this is a part of her political agenda, I really don't think so. Because number one, she's a sitting senator, and at the same time, I don't know if she has any plans of running for a higher position. If she does, I don't think she will make it because the Marcos name is already very much tainted at this point. So she stands no chance for a higher position, I believe. So itong binabanggit niya, I think is number one, para talaga kay President PBM as a sister, and number two, for the country, as somebody, as a concerned official na alam niya na hindi nakakayanin ng ating Pangulo na magpatuloy pa sa kanyang panunungkulan.